Greetings and welcome to the WP Maps Store Locator app for Shopify. Using this app, you can easily add a store locator to your Shopify store in a few simple and quick steps. Now, for those of you who do not know, a store locator is a fully functioning widget which you can add to your website, and then your customers can use this to find all your physical locations such as stores, warehouses, pickup points, and so on. In addition, WP Maps can also add a product locator to your website as well, and the product locator can be used to display your products in neat and organized ways. Besides this, WP Maps also comes with a bunch of amazing features such as bulk import, Google Sheets add-on to manage your data. There's also product and store analytics, lead forms, a HubSpot form, Zapier integration. The store locator widget comes in 3 different themes, 5 different layouts, and it's fully customizable by using our theme editor. There's also the option to import your products directly from a WooCommerce or Shopify account. And last but not least, there's also the ability to add a custom map style to the store locator widget. With that being said, let's go to the WP Maps app on Shopify. Here we have arrived at the app, and the first thing you will notice is that there is a page help link here which will explain to you what the page you are on is all about. You can also access the help center by clicking on this icon here. So currently we are at the Get Started tab, and here you will see a series of steps that you'll need to follow to create the store locator for the Shopify store. Let's go over these one by one. So for step number 1, you need to add your locations first, and you can do that by either clicking on import locations and uploading a CSV file, or you can add the stores one by one by clicking on add locations. Once you're here, simply add a store name and other information. You can select a marker. If you'd like to add custom markers, simply go to the stores tab, click on markers over here. Now let's add a location for our store. Let's go for Orlando as the city. Once this information is added, click on Save Store, and your store will be saved. And that's the end of step number 1. Let's go back to the Get Started tab and go to step number 2, which is adding products to the store locator or product locator as you are creating them. To add the products, simply click on either the import products button here and upload the products by using a CSV file, or you can go back and add products one by one by clicking on add products. Once you're here, simply fill in the basic information once again. Let's add a blue shirt as an example. Let's upload an image. Here we have the blue shirt. Click on open, scroll down, press on save, and the image will be added. You can add a product type as well, and to do that you can create product types by going to the products tab and then clicking on product types. You can even create product categories by going to the categories and tab section over here. And once you've added all the information for the product, click on save product, and the product will be saved. Now you can even link this product to certain stores by coming down here, clicking on the in stores tab. Now let's link this product to Astro Club, for example. Simply click on this button here, and the product will be assigned to that particular store. And that's the end of step number 2. Let's head back to the Get Started tab and proceed with step number 3, which is adding the API key. Click on this button over here and go to API keys. If you're using Google Maps, paste in the Google Maps API key over here and click on Save API Keys, and the API key will be saved. Similarly, if you're using Mapbox, you can add the Mapbox token over here. Now let's see how you can create a custom map for our store locator. Go to the Maps tab here, click on New Map. Let's give the map title first. Let's call it Main Map 1. Let's go with Google Maps as the tiles, and let's go with the road map variant. You can center the map around whichever location you like. Let's center it around Denver, for example. Then click on this button here to fetch the coordinates. Once that is done, click on Save Map, and now your custom map will be available for selection once you create the store locator. And that's the end of step number 3. Let's now go to step number 4, which is creating the actual store locator widget for our Shopify store. Click on the Install button. You can preview the widget before you create it by using the section here. Once you're ready to install the widget, click on Install Widget. And once you're here, select the map first. Since we've added the Google Maps API key, we'll select Google Maps. Fill in the other fields as you see fit. Click on Next. Over here you can select the template, the layout. Let's go with a simple store locator. Select a color theme for the widget. In all these other fields you can add as you see fit. Click on Next. You can add a filter if you want. Let's give the build a name. Let's call it Store Locations, for example. And let's click on Publish. And your build has been successfully published. You can access it by clicking on this link over here, or you can go to Online Store, click on Pages, and as you can see, the store locations page has been added here. Click on View Page to view your store locator, and here we have the store locator added to the Shopify store. Now let's go back to WP Maps. So that was the end of step number 4. Let's proceed with step number 5, which is customizing the widget. Click on either of these buttons and you'll be taken to the widgets section. Over here, scroll down to the build you created that you want to customize. Click on Options and you can customize the color, design, and text by selecting these options over here. If you'd like to get additional resources on how to use WP Maps, you can go to the Home tab over here. Here you will see a link to watch video tutorials which will explain how you can use WP Maps further. That's all for this video. Before we end, you can try all of these features for yourself by signing up for a 14-day free trial with no credit card required. And once the trial period is over, you can upgrade to a full version by selecting any one of our 4 flexible pricing plans. Each higher tier plan comes with additional features and quality support. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching.